Quality wheel spacers are exactly safe. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle's original hub. The vehicle's wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by a clamping force achieved by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each vehicle's hub and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle's weight is not placed on any wheel spacers installed. Installed half-century wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, half-century wheel spacers are designed with a half-century ring in the center that fits perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it first against the mounting plate. These wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing the minimum chance of vibration. Quality wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide a longer service life. Selecting the best wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. Forged multi-stage half-century wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The half-century metal ring is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the wheel spacers, and the safer your driving will be. Thus, BONOSS forged multi-stage half-century wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, BONOSS FT cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of wheel spacers. These notches act as regulators which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS forged FT cooling wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind.